Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to play eFootball using a PS4 controller on your iPhone, and also clear up whether it's actually possible. First, to connect your PS4 controller, press and hold PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light starts flashing. Then on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth, turn it on and select your controller from the list. Once it's connected, open eFootball. But here's the thing, no matter what buttons you press or how you move the sticks, the game won't respond. Even when you check all the settings, you won't find any controller options. That's because right now, eFootball doesn't support controllers on mobile, both iOS and Android. On Android, you can use third-party apps like M's Gamepad to map buttons, but these apps don't exist on iPhone. So unfortunately, you can't use a PS4 controller to play eFootball on iPhone yet. Hopefully, Konami adds support soon. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.